Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a fascinating topic, the future of military technology. From stealth technologies to autonomous ground vehicles, the future is already here and it's looking amazing. So get comfortable and let's explore this incredible advancement together. Let's start with stealth technologies. This innovation make aircraft, ships, and other military vehicles almost invisible to enemy radar. So, how does it work? The key lies in the materials and shapes used. The surfaces of stealth aircraft, for example, are made from radar-absorbent materials that significantly reduce the radar signature. Additionally, their angular designs and lack of sharp edges help scatter radar waves in all directions, except back to the source. The US military leads in this fight with aircraft like the F-25 Lightning II and the B-2 Spirit. These planes can penetrate deep into enemy defenses undetected, allowing them to conduct reconnaissance missions or precise strikes effectively. But stealth technology isn't limited to aircraft, ships, submarines, and even some ground vehicles benefit from these innovations. For instance, the USS Zumwalt destroyer is designed to be virtually invisible to radar thanks to its angular superstructure and radar-absorbent material. These advancements offer a huge strategic advantage by enabling secret operation and precise targeting without alerting the enemy. Imagine a war where militaries can operate in the shadows, striking precisely and discreetly. That's the power of stealth technology. Next up, we have autonomous drone vehicles. These machines represent a true revolution in drone military operation. Autonomous vehicles can perform a variety of missions without human intervention, from reconnaissance to logistics and even direct combat. Imagine a convoy of supply trucks moving through hostile territory without drivers, avoiding ambushes and mines thanks to advanced sensor and IA. These vehicles are equipped with cutting-edge technology like LiDAR, radar, and high-resolution cameras that allow them to navigate autonomously, detecting and avoiding obstacles. For example, the US Army's Protector autonomous vehicle can conduct surveillance and reconnaissance missions, transmitting real-time images to human operators who remain safely away from the front lines. Moreover, these vehicles can be armed and directly participate in combat. The Russian Uran-9 combat robot is an example of this capability. It's equipped with automatic cannon, anti-tank missiles, and flamethrowers and can be remotely controlled or operate autonomously in certain situations. This reduces risk for soldiers while increasing efficiency on the battlefield. The benefits are clear: reduced human casualties, increased operational efficiency, and the ability to operate in dangerous or inaccessible environments. Military technology isn't just about what we can see. Cybersecurity and electronic warfare play a crucial role in modern conflicts. Armies around the world invest heavily in protecting their systems against cyber attacks. Why? Because computer networks have become prime targets. A successful attack can cripple communication, disable defense systems, and create chaos. But electronic warfare isn't just about defense. Militaries also use offensive techniques to disrupt and neutralize enemy systems. For example, jamming device can disable enemy communications, leaving their forces blind and deaf on the battlefield. Militaries also use technologies like electronic missiles that, instead of causing physical damage, target the enemy's electronic system, rendering their weapon and infrastructure useless. Another crucial aspect is the use of disinformation and digital propaganda to destabilize opponents by spreading false information and manipulating social media. Military forces can sow confusion and weaken enemy morale. It's a digital chess game where every move must be carefully played. Cybersecurity and electronic warfare are essential elements of modern warfare, showing that the battlefield has extended into the digital world, where information and technology are as powerful as tanks and planes. Now, let's talk about artificial intelligence. and robotics, fields that are radically transforming military capabilities. AI is already used to analyze massive amounts of data and make decisions in record time. In the military, this means planning missions, predicting enemy movements, and optimizing resources with unparalleled precision and speed. AI systems can integrate information from various sources, such as satellites, drones, and ground sensors, to provide a complete and real-time picture of the battlefield. This ability to analyze and interpret vast amounts of data allows commanders to make more informed and faster decisions. Imagine a system that can predict where the enemy might strike next and prepare an effective defense before the attack even begins. At the same time, robotics plays an increasingly important role. Military robots can perform dangerous tasks like mine clearance, reconnaissance in hostile terrain, or logistical support. For example, the US Army's PackBot is used to defuse explosives, reducing risks to soldiers. Combat robots such as Boston Dynamics Big Dog are designed to carry heavy equipment over rugged terrain, helping troops move more easily. These machines are often equipped with advanced sensors and navigation systems that allow them to operate autonomously or semi-autonomously, following pre-programmed instructions or being remotely controlled by human operators. Integrating AI into these robots creates even more autonomous and intelligent systems. For instance, combat drones can use AI algorithms to identify and track targets, carry out precise attacks, and return to base without human intervention. This synergy between AI and robotics offers enormous potential to transform modern warfare, increasing efficiency, reducing risks to soldiers, and providing new tactical capabilities. Finally, let's talk about augmented reality and virtual reality technologies that are changing how soldiers train and prepare for combat. Augmented reality overlays digital information onto the real world, while virtual reality immerses users in entirely simulated environments. These technologies allow soldiers to train in realistic environments without leaving their base. With the special glasses and VR equipment, soldiers can experience combat scenarios and complex missions. For example, a unit can train to defuse a bomb in a digitally recreated urban environment, or conduct a rescue mission in a simulated conflict zone. These simulations can include dynamics variables like changing weather conditions or unpredictable enemy behavior, making the training even more realistic and comprehensive. Augmented reality can also be used in the field. Imagine soldiers equipped with AR glasses that display real-time tactical information such as the positions of allies and enemies' supply points and safe routes. This data can be superimposed directly onto their view of the terrain, enabling quick and precise decision making without having to consult separate maps or screens. These technologies also offer possibilities for command and control. Officers can use VR systems to visualize and plan large-scale operations, manipulating 3D models of battlefields and testing different strategies before implementation. This allows for more swift preparation and more effective coordination of forces. The benefits of these technologies are numerous. They improve soldiers' preparedness and responsiveness, reduce costs and risks associated with traditional training, and enable the simulation of scenarios impossible to replicate in the real world. Augmented reality and virtual reality represent the future of military training, providing powerful tools to prepare soldiers for the challenge of tomorrow. That was a glimpse into the future of military technology. These innovations show how technology can transform the way conflicts are managed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And let us know in the comments which advancement impressed you the most. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.